Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Nike. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nike.com and press enter. This will then take you into your official Nike website where you can click on the sign in button at the top right corner if you haven't done so already to log in using your email address and your password. After logging in order to delete your account, click on the account icon once again at the top right and then click on account settings. Now within the account settings page, underneath account details, you will be able to make various different changes to your profile. Scroll all the way down and you will see the delete account button. Go ahead and click on it and you will now be shown a warning letting you know that you will not be able to access your account anymore. Click on the yes button in order to confirm that you wish to delete your account, and finally click on the delete your account button. Once you click on this, your account will be scheduled for deletion and you will be logged out right away. Make sure not to log back in for another month if you wish to permanently delete your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Nike. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.